Agents take a commission on their work. If we select wrong cleaning agents, we have to pay a toll on our cloth's life, cloth's quality, cloth's color. And I know you don't want to pay a toll, and that's why we all are here. So in this video, we will see how to select different cleaning agents as per requirement. See, different cleaning agents, different detergents work in a different way. It's totally depend on how we wash our clothes. Different brands produces different products, detergent products for different methods. I used to think that it's a gimmick, but when I studied in deep, I came to know that it's a gimmick. See, all the logic is totally depend on search. How much foam your detergent is producing. If you are washing your clothes by hand or with a semi-automatic machine, you need more foam. If you are washing your clothes with fully automatic or top load or front load machine, you need less foam. So comparatively, you can use more quantity in hand wash and semi-automatic machine and less quantity in fully automatic machines. See, it's all about experimenting or trying. You can try it on your old clothes. Take this as an assignment. Try it on your old clothes. Use more quantity, use less quantity. See what is normal quantity for your clothes. Now, let's understand more about detergents. If we see, basically there are two types of detergents: anionic and non-anionic. Some are combination which produces sufficient foam. Mostly the powder form detergents are anionic. They are good for natural type of fabric like cotton, linen, but only if these are white, light, or if you want to remove hard stains and clay. They work well with warm and soft water. It will not work better if water is hard or high in pH. The disadvantage of this is if it is used with more quantity comparing to normal quantity with the dark colored cloths, it can fade color for natural type of fabrics. The non-anionic detergents are mostly in liquid form and do not produce much foam. They are good at cleaning synthetic fibers, work well with oily and soil stains. It works okay in hard water or water with high pH. Our next cleaning agent is bleach. If you are using bleach on the fabric, then you need to understand this. There are two types of bleach: chlorine bleach and oxygen bleach, or it is also called as non-chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach is very strong and whiten the cloths perfectly, but can weaken fabric fibers. It is also good to kill bacteria, bed bugs, dust mites, etc. But it is not good for cloths' long life. So if you want to use particular cloths for a specific time period and want to whiten cloths, then go for it. If not and you want to use them for a long, then don't go for it. Chlorine bleach will not help you to save your clothes' life and money. If you are giving it to laundry, inform them about this. Either you want chlorine bleach or you don't want it. Okay, you have to absolutely avoid chlorine bleach on protein fabrics like silk, wool, lycra or spandex. Oxygen bleach is color safe and more gentle on fabrics. Our next point is water softener. Before understanding about water softener, we must understand about pH, role of pH in cleaning cloths. When we use detergent in high pH or hard water that is more than 12 plus, it doesn't generate much foam. The alkaline in the detergent makes it good cleaner for common dirt. For detergents to be effective, you need to have perfect pH. pH is percentage of hydrogen, which measures acidity and alkalinity. The scale goes from 0 to 14. Scale goes like 1 is acid and 14 is more alkaline. 7 is neutral. Part of our detergent job is to raise the pH. If it is already high, then it will reduce its effectiveness. See, if you wash your clothes in 1 to 7 pH, it is okay. If it is more than that, use water softener. It will bring down your pH level. Laundry washing balls. Laundry balls could clean our clothes naturally, which helps us saving money and enhancing the longevity of clothes. There are laundry washing balls contain ceramic pellets which change the pH balance of water and washes your clothes without detergent. Help your clothes stay new longer and watch as they don't break down as fast from the harsh detergents. These are natural and reusable ceramic beds which collates odor and dirt from your laundry. Nothing else needed when they work. Simply put it in afternoon sun to refresh them. It lasts up to 1500 loads. Just need a little sun and they will be just as effective as a first wash. How to use these balls? First, follow the fabric instructions, separate the cloths as usual. Pre-treat the stubborn stains if any. Put the ball at the top of the washer. Start washing. Take out cloths after wash. Refresh it in the sun for 2-3 hours and that's it. Best things are these laundry washing balls are compatible with any washing machine. Wash all types of fabrics. Cheaper than detergent and bleach. Gentle on sensitive skin. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you got to know the cleaning agent's role. And I know that you will not pay a toll to them. This is Basaros Patil signing off until we meet again.